Hello and welcome to another video from Travels with Charlie and Friends, and on this video we're in Turkey and we're on the seafront in Marmaris, which is absolutely spectacular, and you can walk all along here or maybe just sit down with a milkshake or a cocktail and watch the world go by. This is a beautiful bay here in Turkey, and I was staying at a hotel just behind the main strip. So join us as we wander down the main strip here in Marmaris, Turkey. And there are lots of hotels down here, and on the other side of this strip, further down, there are lots of nightclubs, pubs and bars, and some of the quieter restaurants were in this little strip here. And we stopped at one of them to have a beautiful milkshake. And this is the Marmaris restaurant. And there's the cocktail menu. We decided we'd have some milkshakes, and they were delicious. One banana and one strawberry flavour milkshake. And this is just a very short video from Marmaris, Turkey. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon. Bye bye.